Okay, in this segment we're going to cover jacking the vehicle using a floor jack. The floor jack, as you can see, compared with the jack that comes equipped with the vehicle, is much larger, better built. It's designed to slide up underneath the cars and get up and access a point of the frame to lift the vehicle on, rather than relying on the structure of the car and the unibody on the outside edges. If you was to try and apply the small portable jack underneath where you get access to a frame, you'd have to crawl underneath the car to do it. It'd be extremely difficult, especially if you had a flat tire and the car's setting lower to the ground because of the tire. So the benefits of having a floor jack, just the ease of operation, the safety, and it's just a lot better to lift the vehicle off the frame. And the floor jacks come in a lot of different sizes, and smaller ones are made that are easier to contain and carry with your vehicle. This one here is like a 2.5 ton rated industrial use. And what we're going to do is we're just going to roll it around to the front of the vehicle, and then we're going to slide it up underneath, and we're going to access basically the same point as we used earlier to secure the vehicle with a floor jack right underneath the subframe there in the front, and lift the vehicle from there. Okay, the easiest way to do it is to slide the jack up underneath and get it real close to where you want it to be. And then the locking mechanism for the jack, for the hydraulics on the floor jacks, is built into the handle. And you just turn it all the way clockwise to lock the jack, and that allows you to jack it up. To loosen the jack and release pressure, you turn it counterclockwise. And what I'm going to do is once I slide up in there, I'm just going to go real slow while I watch the head of that jack and make sure it comes up exactly where I want it to until it contacts the vehicle frame. So I verify that I've got the jack in the right position I want it. So once we've got the jack, we've made contact with the frame, then we just want to slowly lift the vehicle. As you're jacking it up, you want to watch underneath, make sure everything's going smoothly. The jack staying in position, no surprises. Stay well away from the car while you're jacking it in case something goes wrong and the car slips or slides. Avoid any potential for injury. And once again, same with a floor jack as with the emergency jack or tire jack with a vehicle or any other type of jack. You only want to use the jack to lift the vehicle. Once you get the vehicle lifted, you want to place it on a jack stand, blocks, or some other device to hold the load of the vehicle. You do not want to rely on the jack to do that. Please watch our next segment on jacking the vehicle using the floor jack, part 2.